Two countries, one question. Which has more people? Keep your streak alive, 3 seconds around. We start easy. Which country has more people? China or Iceland? China, about 1.4 billion against Iceland's 390,000. China alone has more people than all of Europe combined. Which has more people? Portugal or India? India, roughly 1.4 billion, dwarfing Portugal's 10 million. India just overtook China as the world's most populous country. More people, the United States or Ireland? The United States, about 335 million versus Ireland's 5 million. Around 1 in every 25 people alive is American. Which has more, Uruguay or Brazil? Brazil, around 216 million against Uruguay's 3.4 million. Brazil holds more than half of South America's entire population. More people, Singapore or Indonesia? Indonesia, about 277 million versus tiny Singapore's 6 million. Indonesia is the 4th most populous country on Earth. Which has more, Japan or New Zealand? Japan, roughly 124 million against New Zealand's 5 million. Yet Japan's population is actually shrinking every single year. More people, Costa Rica or Mexico? Mexico, about 129 million versus Costa Rica's 5 million. Greater Mexico City alone dwarfs the whole of Costa Rica. Which has more, Nigeria or Ghana? Nigeria, around 223 million against Ghana's 34 million. Nigeria is the most populous country in all of Africa. More people, Jordan or Egypt? Egypt, about 113 million versus Jordan's 11 million. Almost everyone in Egypt lives along the thin green ribbon of the Nile. Which has more, Germany or Norway? Germany, roughly 84 million against Norway's 5.5 million. Germany has the biggest population in the European Union. 10 rounds in. If your streak's still perfect, do me a favor and subscribe. More people, Australia or the Philippines? Philippines, about 117 million versus Australia's 26 million. Australia has 25 times the land, yet far fewer people. Which has more, Vietnam or Spain? Vietnam, around 99 million against Spain's 49 million. Vietnam packs more than double Spain's people into a narrow strip of coast. More people, Switzerland or France? France, about 68 million versus Switzerland's 9 million. Which has more, Turkey or Greece? Turkey, roughly 85 million against Greece's 10 million. More people, Thailand or Canada? Thailand, about 72 million versus Canada's 41 million. Canada is the 2nd biggest country on Earth, yet has fewer people than Thailand. Which has more, Morocco or South Korea? South Korea, about 52 million against Morocco's 38 million. More people, Colombia or Spain? Colombia, about 53 million versus Spain's 49 million. South America's coffee giant quietly outpopulates Spain. Which has more, Poland or Argentina? Argentina, about 46 million, against Poland's 38 million. More people, Italy or Kenya? Italy, about 59 million, versus Kenya's 56 million. Closer than you'd think, and Italy's is falling, while Kenya's keeps booming. Which has more, Australia or Uganda? Uganda, about 49 million against Australia's 26 million. Uganda has one of the youngest populations alive, an average age around 16. 20 down. How's that streak holding up? Tell me in the comments. More people, Algeria or Canada? Algeria, about 46 million, versus Canada's 41 million. Africa's largest country by land just edges past Canada. Which has more, Venezuela or Peru? Peru, about 34 million, against Venezuela's 28 million. Millions have left Venezuela in recent years, narrowing the gap. Which has more, Malaysia or the Netherlands? Malaysia, about 34 million, against the Netherlands' 18 million. More people, Sweden or Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia, about 37 million, versus Sweden's 10.5 million. Which has more, Uzbekistan or Chile? Uzbekistan, about 35 million, against Chile's 20 million. Central Asia's most populous country catches a lot of people out. More people, Belgium or Angola? Angola, about 36 million, versus Belgium's 12 million. Which has more, Nepal or Portugal? Nepal, about 30 million, against Portugal's 10 million. More people, the Netherlands or Mozambique? Mozambique, about 33 million, versus the Netherlands' 18 million. Which has more, Ghana or Chile? Ghana, about 34 million, against Chile's 20 million. More people, Sweden or Ivory Coast? Ivory Coast, about 28 million, versus Sweden's 10.5 million. 30 rounds deep. Smash that like button if your streak is still alive. Which has more, Cameroon or Belgium? Cameroon, about 28 million, against Belgium's 12 million. More people, Ecuador or Venezuela? Venezuela, about 28 million, versus Ecuador's 18 million. Which has more, Switzerland or Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka, about 22 million, against Switzerland's 9 million. More people, Romania or Austria? Romania, about 19 million, versus Austria's 9 million. Which has more, Hungary or Kazakhstan? Kazakhstan, about 20 million, against Hungary's 9.6 million. The world's largest landlocked country, mostly empty steppe. More people, Ecuador or Greece? Ecuador, about 18 million, versus Greece's 10 million. Which has more, Austria or Cambodia? Cambodia, about 17 million, against Austria's 9 million. More people, Senegal or Tunisia? Senegal, about 18 million, versus Tunisia's 12 million. Which has more, Italy or Tanzania? Tanzania, about 67 million, against Italy's 59 million. A real stunner. Tanzania has quietly overtaken Italy, and it's still climbing fast. More people, Iran or Germany? Iran, about 89 million, versus Germany's 84 million. The closest calls are coming, so subscribe before your streak meets its match. Which has more, Japan or Mexico? Mexico, about 129 million, against Japan's 124 million. Two giants neck and neck, but Mexico's still growing while Japan shrinks. More people, Bangladesh or Mexico? Bangladesh, about 173 million, versus Mexico's 129 million. It's one of the most densely packed countries on the planet. Which has more, Egypt or Ethiopia? Ethiopia, about 126 million, against Egypt's 113 million. Landlocked Ethiopia is now the second most populous country in Africa. More people, the Democratic Republic of Congo or France? Congo, the Democratic Republic, about 102 million, versus France's 68 million. Which has more, Germany or Turkey? Turkey, about 85.5 million, against Germany's 83.5 million. Razor close, but Turkey edges ahead. More people, the Philippines or Vietnam? Philippines just ahead, about 117 million against Vietnam's 99 million. Which has more, Argentina or Spain? Spain, about 49 million, versus Argentina's 46 million. A surprise to many, Spain just pips Argentina. More people, Canada or Morocco? Canada, about 41 million, against Morocco's 38 million. Closer than its giant map would ever suggest. Which has more, Kenya or Tanzania? Tanzania, about 67 million, versus Kenya's 56 million. East African neighbors, and Tanzania pulls ahead. The final one. Which has more people, Nigeria or Bangladesh? Nigeria, about 223 million, against Bangladesh's 173 million. Two of the most crowded nations on Earth. That's all 50. How long was your best streak? Drop it in the comments, subscribe, and next time it's the finale, real flag or AI fake.